Like, true story, I was walking down the street one day, and I saw on this tree, there was a picture, a reward poster for a missing bird. Some white bitch lost her bird and thought throughout all this open air, space, trees, and clouds, she thought her bird was still gonna be in the community. She believed that. She made a flyer. As if I was gonna be walking down the street like, damn, there go that bitch bird. I'm gonna get this reward money up out here. I can't believe he stayed in the community like that. This one good goddamn bird right here. Man, I wrote on that poster, bitch, your bird is gone. Get a goldfish, ho.